Hello.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
Hey, Safi, what's wrong?
Hangry.
Okay, what do you want?
Want.
What do you want?
Want food, bitch.
Oh, okay, we get it. You're hangry.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing 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 bong. Bing bong.
All right, Safi, let us know how this is. You gotta be a good food critic, okay? How is it? Be honest, how is it?
Bitch, disgusting.
Sleeping.
Oh my.
He's actually making a snowball.
That is hilarious.
What the world is going on here? How did you even get up there, Luna? Who do you think you are? You ate some cat poop, now you think you're the queen of the jungle? Is that what's happening?
We're in like a pack of sardines, we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Oh, wow, you transformed. Great outfit change. That was incredible.
Oh, you forgot your toy. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Mom! You should look at this!
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Good job.
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
Hold up.
Do ba 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 do.
And BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck.
What?
I may have farted. I didn't mean to. It was more of a toot, and I apologize.
Yeah, but you hotboxed the car. What are we talking about hotboxing the car?
I'm very sorry. I know we can't roll the windows down on account of Easter winter, and I'll take it back if I could, and I'm very sorry.
assault, theft, fraud, DUI, breaking and entering, solicitation, armed robbery, shoplifting, aggravated assault on a police officer, and more.
Show us your dog, then show us what your dog is named after. My cat really loves cheese.
Right. Cookie, cookie, stand. Oh no, there's Melanie.
Look happier.
Okay, I'm trying.
Sound on.
Mother, I told you, I don't like the rain. I don't walk in the rain. I'm not meant to walk in the rain.
Type of bitch you don't give a fuck. Falling in love.
Do 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 do. Mama, open the door! What are you doing up in here?
Toe beans, toe beans, toe beans, toe beans. Find a floof and boop them 'cause you can. Boop.
If your pet was on a dating site, post a photo that would be their profile picture.
Bongo la.
You ready to show your bro? Are you ready to show them? Take a spin. Okay.
Shit, shit, shit.
I look at you, I can feel it. And I look at you and I'm home.
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm high on crack.
No one prepares you for how much you're gonna love these.
Before, after.
People always ask if my dog's friendly, and I always tell them no. Then they ask, is she gonna bite me? And I tell them no, worse. She's gonna judge you.
Play Who Let the Dogs Out on Spotify.
Who Let the Dogs Out by Baha Men from Spotify.
Good morning, Lily. Good morning. Is that your tail? Good morning.